Heaven Skincare channel. Hope you guys have been doing absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much everyone that has subscribed so far to this channel. Like, it does mean a whole lot to me. I'm so grateful for the show of love. You know, for those that have actually subscribed to the channel, and for those that also buy like my handmade products from Slice of Heaven Skincare, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys actually, like it's a show and tell, 3 products that you can use to treat your dark knuckles. Yes, to get guaranteed results. So if you're definitely interested in this, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere while I show you guys these products that are effective and will definitely work for you. But first things first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I drop a new video, and don't forget to like and share my videos as well. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first product I'm going to be showing you guys is the Veet Gold Active Whitening Scrub. You all know that this company has really amazing stuff when it concerns like skincare. Okay, and like you can see that it says this scrub works on dark knuckles, anti-dark knuckles, visibly works on knees and elbows, dark butt, dark inner thighs. Okay guys, so like I was saying, this will work for like dark areas of the skin, that are pigmented and that you want to whiten or lighten. Okay, so you can see the pictures of the before and afters on the product. You can use it on your knees and your hands and your armpits and your feet. Okay, also, so we're going to also be looking at the directions on how to use it. We're going to also be looking at the description. This whitening scrub can be applied to your armpits, elbows, knees, inner thighs, or wherever you feel you need to lighten. It helps to reduce dark shades and a bad smell, while at the same time it functions as a deodorant. It's a powerful whitening formula that lightens dark and discolored underarms, deep into skin cells to dilute the melanin, quickly whitens the skin, restores bright and white skin. The directions, it says to apply sufficient amount of scrub to your knees, your elbow, dark butt, dark inner thighs, black armpits, and in this case of course your knuckles. Okay, apply with fingers and massage gently. Finally rinse off. Use every day to keep skin feeling whitening. Okay, so it has like really good ingredients as well here. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna just talk you through how to use the scrub when you're trying to lighten your dark knuckles. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to actually soak your hands in like hot water for about 20 minutes. Now when I say hot water, I don't mean scalding water, guys. I don't need you to go and burn your hands on my account. That's not what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm just saying use hot water that you can actually put your hands into. Okay, soak your hands for 20 minutes. Once you're done, okay, bring your hands out of the water, dry the excess water, so your skin just needs to be damp. Okay, now you apply this scrub on your fist. Okay, so basically you want to make a fist. Okay, so you want to clench your fist like this. Okay, and then apply the scrub on your knuckles. Okay, so if your knuckles, the areas where you have the dark knuckles, what you clench your fist like this, and then you just apply the scrub on the areas where you have the dark knuckles. Okay, so when you apply the scrub to the areas that are dark, or the areas that you're trying to treat, okay, you're going to have to allow the scrub to remain on those areas for at least 30 minutes, guys. Now when I say 30 minutes, I do not mean that you should overstay. It is possible for you to stay less than 30 minutes if you have, like, very sensitive skin. But the good thing is that this scrub says that it's for the sensitive area, so it is not going to like irritate your skin. Okay, so stay for 30 minutes, allow the scrub to really penetrate your skin, to exfoliate, lift up the dead skin cells, ease out that skin area, to allow whatever other products that you're using to penetrate better. Okay, now once you've allowed the scrub stay on your knuckles or whatever areas, be your dark thighs or your knees or elbows or whatever you're trying to work on, once you've allowed the scrub stay on for 30 minutes, what you want to do is you want to take your sponge or your exfoliating gloves, you want to wet them, okay, and then you want to clench your fists and you want to scrub like your dark knuckles, those areas where you have the dark knuckles, those areas where you're trying to treat, you want to scrub. Now please, people tend to over scrub when they're trying to treat their dark knuckles, because they just have this feeling that maybe if they scrub a little more, the knuckles are gonna clear out a lot better. But it doesn't actually work that way, guys. You need to be gentle on those areas. In fact, those areas are so sensitive that you need to handle them with care. So you want to just scrub your knuckles or whatever that you're trying to scrub it very gently, guys. Scrub it nicely with the exfoliating sponge or gloves or whatever, and once you're done scrubbing, just rinse off with a bit of like warm water to get the scrub off, and then also finally rinse with cool water, okay, so that you can close any pores that you've opened since you had to soak and all of that. Okay, how many times do you need to scrub? You just need to scrub at least 3 times a week. This is a treatment and this scrub is very gentle. That's why I said you can actually scrub 3 times a week. Please, if you have very, very soft skin, don't scrub 3 times a week. I would recommend that you scrub only twice a week. Okay, so yes, that's it for the scrub. Now we're gonna move on to the next ingredient. Okay guys, so the next ingredient is our Piment C. Okay, this is a cleanser, face tonic on its own. Okay, so we're gonna be using this as our knuckle cleanser. Okay, you can see that it says it has salicylic acid, it has vitamin C and all that. So vitamin C, as we know, is a brightening ingredient, so it's definitely going to brighten those dark areas, okay, of your skin. Oh my days, like someone is trying to be a nuisance in the next house. I'm so sorry for the noise, guys, like apologies. Okay, so yeah, like I said before, vitamin C is a brightening ingredient that helps to depigment areas that are pigmented on the skin, so it's really good. Also, salicylic acid is a good ingredient that works to mildly exfoliate the skin, lifting up dead skin cells. Okay, so you're gonna use the Piment C as your knuckle cleanser. What do? You're going to use a cotton pad and you're going to make a fist. Like I said, clench your fist, clench the fist like this, and then you're going to apply the Piment C with your cotton pad on the knuckles or whatever areas that you're trying to treat on your skin. Okay, you're going to apply it and you're going to just gently clean those areas very nicely, and you're going to repeat this repeat the application 2 times in a particular treatment. So say you have used it once to clean your skin, you're going to use it a second time in the same sitting. Okay, I don't know if this is self-explanatory, to be honest. What I mean is you apply one application and then you apply a second application, so you use it twice in one sitting. Okay, so you don't rinse this off. Just make sure that after using the cotton pad to just clean your knuckles or the dark area you're trying to treat, you just allow it to dry. Okay, allow it to dry, and then you can follow up with the last ingredient. Okay guys, so the last but not the least, we're going to be using our Kids Quinto. I actually like the name. Sounds very fancy. Kids Quinto cream. Okay, we're going to be using this as our treatment cream for our knuckles. So this is like the third step. After using the scrub and then using our Piment C, you want to use the Kids Quinto. Okay, now after using the cleanser, I would like for you to allow the cleanser to dry completely. So I would allow the cleanser to dry completely for about 30 minutes before I apply this cream to my knuckles or whatever area that you're trying to treat. Okay, for the purpose of this video, of course, we're talking about treatment of dark knuckles, so you would be using this on your knuckles next. Okay, now clenching your fist like I taught you before, you're going to apply this cream to just the knuckles. I repeat, just the knuckles. People tend to get carried away when they're trying to treat knuckles, and they allow the knuckle cream to get onto areas that it's not supposed to be on. That is going to really mess up your treatment. What you're going to end up doing is having areas that are lighter that you were not even supposed to be treating in the first place. So please restrict the application to just the dark areas, just the dark knuckles. Okay, now you apply this and you just massage it. Clench your fist like I said, apply it on all the dark areas. Okay, and massage it in very nicely. You can actually apply whatever quantity that is necessary for you to cover the areas of treatment. Once you've massaged it very well, I would advise that you use maybe your ring finger when you're applying it, so that you don't use all your hands to get the cream everywhere. Just use one finger to apply to the areas that you're treating. Okay, and make sure that you wipe off the cream residue that's left off after you're done applying. Wipe it off from the finger that you used to apply. Now this knuckle cream is really good. It's going to help lighten those dark areas and work on it, and in a week your knuckles should be looking a whole lot better. Okay, so once you've massaged it in, you can actually just if you have gloves, you can just wear gloves so that it's going to keep everything in. But if you don't, just make sure that after massaging it in, you allow it to really penetrate. Don't just touch anything, don't wash anything, don't move your hands too much. Just allow your hands to be in one place for the cream to really get absorbed into your skin, and then you can retire for the night. Now saying this, please, it's worthy of note that you should use this knuckle cream only at night. Okay, during the day you can use any good moisturizer, from a Vaseline to shea butter, or any good moisturizer to moisturize your hands throughout the day. And there are different courses of dark knuckles. Of course, people tend to think that dark knuckles only come from maybe harsh creams or improper application of lotions and creams. Yes, that happens too, but dark knuckles also as a result of overly dry hands. When your hands are very dry, they can cause dark knuckles. When your hands are not moisturized, they can actually cause dark knuckles. So one thing you want to be doing throughout the day is to moisturize your hands. So you can take with you maybe to work or wherever it is that you'll be going. You can take with you a small container where you can put shea butter or your moisturizing oil, or any good hand cream that you're going to just use to moisturize and get moisture on your hands throughout the day. If you use a hand sanitizer during the day, or you wash your hands in the course of the day as you go about your business or whatever, I would advise that you reapply your hand cream or your shea butter or your moisturizing oil. Okay, so this treatment is best used at night. Okay, it's best used at night, one, because you're gonna avoid the sun. You're also going to avoid doing too many things at the same time, so that your product or the treatment can actually work. Okay, and also at night you would have been, you know, resting, and your body will be calmer, you will be calmer as well. So the treatment is just best used at night. Okay, so during the day, what did I say? Remember to moisturize your hands as many times as possible. Don't say, oh, let me just moisturize once and that cuts it. No, if you have to go to the toilet, and of course you have to wash your hands, make sure that you moisturize again. And throughout the day, just bring out that moisturizer and lavishly moisturize your entire hands, your knuckles, and the rest of your hands. Okay, so I hope you found this video really useful. So these are the three products that I wanted to share with you guys. You can use this treatment for a week plus, okay, until you get results. Some people are going to get results in a week, some are going to get results in, you know, more than 1 week, but just keep at it, and you know, you're definitely going to get like results with your knuckles. Now, if you have extremely bad knuckles, please, this treatment might just make it a little bit better. You might need to contact a skincare therapist like me, yes, to give you a more advanced, you know, treatment that's going to work for you, which might include peeling or some other stuff. But yeah, if your dark knuckles are moderate to minimal, then this is going to work perfectly and clear out your knuckles in no time. I mean, if your knuckles are really bad, this is also going to work for you, only that you need to be patient. It's going to take some time. But for moderate to, you know, mild dark knuckles, it should clear in like no time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're just visiting, please don't go without hitting the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Hit the subscribe button, like my video, share my video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time that I drop a new video. And if you have subscribed before now, thank you, my loves. I love you with all my heart. And don't forget that you can always purchase the original ingredients that I actually talk about on this channel from me. So send a message to any of my WhatsApp numbers. You can also get my handmade, very effective skincare products, natural and safe skincare products from Slice of Heaven Skincare, which happens to be my brand. You can also get that from me as well. So don't forget to always send, you know, a WhatsApp message in case you need something, or if you're not clear about something, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply you, respond to you. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay blessed, stay safe, everyone, and until my next video, God bless you. I love you. Bye.